Very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss the 10th class chemistry assignment. Assignment number 8. Topic is chemical bonding, in which the first one is name the molecules which forms double bond. Name the molecules which form double bond. For example, oxygen and ethene molecule form the double bond. So answer oxygen, comma ethene and so on can form the double bond. Next, coming to next question, which element can form both ionic and covalent bond? Answer chlorine. The chlorine is can form the ionic bond and covalent bond. That means chlorine can form the ionic bond as well as covalent bond. For example, chlorine, when it is combined with the metals which can form the ionic bond. Chlorine, when it is combined with the non-metals which can form the covalent bond. For example, the chlorine with metals, it can form the ionic bond. It can form the ionic bond. For example, chlorine plus here metal sodium. Sodium lose the electron, chlorine can gain the electron. Sodium lose the electron, the losing of electron gained by chlorine, and which can form the NaCl. Between the sodium and chlorine, ionic bond is formed. In the case of the chlorine with non-metal, for example, chlorine with hydrogen. In the case of chlorine with hydrogen, here the electron transfer not possible. So chlorine contribute one electron, hydrogen contribute one electron. Then between the two atoms, it can form the covalent bond. So between the HCl, hydrogen and chlorine, covalent bond is present. So here, which element can form both ionic and covalent means the chlorine. Chlorine can form the ionic and covalent bond with other atoms of an element. Next, coming to 3. Draw Lewis dot structure in formation of methane molecule. They are asking the Lewis dot structure for methane molecule. Methane chemical formula CH4. Here the carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That means carbon containing the 4 valency electrons. So according to Lewis, the Lewis dot structure, around the carbon we have to draw the 4 electrons. Next hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1s1. Hydrogen containing 1 valency electrons. Here 4 hydrogens are there. So here the 4 hydrogens can form the bond with carbon. The 4 hydrogens, each hydrogen contribute 1 electron. Here carbon contribute the 4 electrons. Then these electrons, between these electrons pairing and sharing occur. These 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired. Later, the paired electrons are shared by the carbon and 4 hydrogens. So now this carbon containing the 8 electrons in its outermost orbit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means carbon can get the stable configuration Like hydrogen also, each hydrogen can get the 2 electrons. So hydrogen also can get the stable configuration. This is the Lewis dot structure for formation of the methane molecule. Next, explain with an example formation of a triple bond. Example for the triple bond, formation of the nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule formula N2. N2, how it is formed? N2 is formed by the combination of the two nitrogen atoms. The nitrogen atomic number is 7, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So nitrogen containing the 5 valency electrons. Nitrogen containing the 5 electrons in its valency orbit. Here 2 electrons in the s orbital, 3 electrons are in p orbital. Here the s electrons are paired, p electrons are unpaired. Each electron present in px, py, pz. So here nitrogen 2 electrons, remaining unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3. Here 2 nitrogens are present. So we can write one more nitrogen. Save 2 electrons, remaining 3 electrons. Now each nitrogen containing the 5 valency electrons. Each nitrogen atom, it want to get the stability, required 3 more electrons. So when the 2 nitrogen atoms are come close to each other, each contribute the 3 electrons. Each nitrogen atom contribute the 3 electrons. Now these 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired, these 2 electrons are paired. Later the paired electrons are shared by the 2 nitrogen atoms. Here in the nitrogen circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons are there. So nitrogen can get the 8 electrons. That means it will get the nearest noble gas configuration. It can get the stability. This nitrogen atom also having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. So it also get the stability. Here total 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are present. So between the two atoms 3 bonds are present. That is called as a triple bond. So here example for the formation of the triple bond is nitrogen molecule. Next, last one, fifth one. How oxygen molecule is formed by sharing of electron. Oxygen molecule formula O2. O2, how it is formed? The O2 is formed by the combination of the two oxygen atoms. Oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So the oxygen atom containing the 6 valency electrons. It want to get the stability, required 2 more electrons. So here oxygen, total how many electrons are there? 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more oxygen is there. So here we can try again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When the two oxygen atoms are come close to each other, each oxygen atom contribute 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are paired. Later, these paired electrons are shared by this oxygen atom and this oxygen atom. So here, this oxygen atom can get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons in its outermost orbit. This oxygen atom also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons in its outermost orbit. So both can attain the stability. So here the oxygen molecule which is formed by the 2 pair of electrons. That means the 2 pair of electrons are shared by the 2 atoms. So here 2 bonds are present. So oxygen molecule is example for the double bond. So this is the oxygen molecule is formed by the sharing of electron. I hope you all of you understand. Thank you to everyone.